How to maintain your new windows for longevity and performance. Well-maintained windows can boost your home's energy efficiency by as much as 15 to 20%. They provide enhanced insulation, which keeps heating and cooling bills to a minimum. Maintaining spotless windows not only makes your house more appealing to potential buyers, but it also demonstrates that you care about the little things. Routine cleaning and inspection. One of the easiest ways to help your windows last longer is to clean them once a month minimum. For the glass, you'll want to use a non-abrasive cleaner and a soft cloth. This will ensure you don't leave behind any scratches. Keep an eye out for cracks, condensation and warping to ensure you catch potential issues early. Lubricating moving parts and maintaining hardware. The best type of lubrication to use is a silicone spray or white lithium grease. Make sure to apply the solution sparingly, followed by wiping away any excess. Weatherproofing and seal maintenance. If you notice any air leaks around the frames, there's a good chance the weather stripping has cracks or holes in it. You can add some caulk or new weather stripping to seal gaps and stop leaks. Special care based on window material. Windows made from different materials require different types of maintenance. Vinyl. Certain cleaning chemicals can damage vinyl, so be sure to use mild soap and water when cleaning. Wood. To keep them dry and weatherproof, add new paint or wood sealer as required. Aluminum. Rust can form on aluminum frames over time, so it's important to clean the tracks regularly and apply a protective coat to prevent rusting. Signs you need professional maintenance. Your windows can stay in good shape with regular upkeep, but some problems need expert care. It's time to call in the professionals if you see dirty or broken glass, notice constant drafts or have trouble opening and closing your windows. Our company has over 40 years of experience in the residential and commercial glass industry. We are bonded and insured, and our work and products are guaranteed. Ready to get started? Give us a call.